Another thing you can do is if you stand up, go ahead and grab him. I catch here, and I grab his fingers and crush them. Yubi kudaki, yubi goroshi. So as long as you can get his digits, keeping an eye on him, you can crush these and start to maneuver them, like a take ori. If I can grab him, it won't work with a punch, because if he has a fist, I can't get those fingers. But if he's reaching or grabbing, this is loose, so I'm able to catch and maneuver these in different ways. He's grabbed again, I can catch this way, and just crush them. I'm just squeezing them. If you're a guitarist, it's even better. I can grab them this way and go down. Here. It's another way of crushing them. Steven Seagal uses that. He grabs here and he lifts them up. He uses the fingers to lift and then kicks. So here is also a goroshi. Anywhere you crush these fingers, you're okay? Then you can put 2 or 3 on here. So now I'm doing the parent crush with the fingers. Feel it?
Yes, sir.
Again, some people aren't immune, but a strong person, I don't know of anyone who has muscles here. So your fingers are always breakable. I can grab 1 finger, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just crack these back. So this is just a concept here of crushing the fingers. It's nasty. And it's just it's a middle point to get you into a throw or something else, or to run. So if I had to label this, it's called yubi kudaki, crushing the fingers in many different ways. Thank you.